Alright, welcome back everyone. My name is James Orden. I'm at BMW Crystal Lake. If you'd like to come see me for this one, this is an ultimate sleeper right here. This is a 2015 BMW 335xi. This ultimate sleeper has 300 horsepower, all-wheel drive. Not the flashiest of wheels, but I like it. It looks very elegant. And this is a non-M Sport. So everything's factory. This is a nice piece of merchandise, well taken care of. I like upon entry the gray headliner, the cognac, and the black come together. 8-speed automatic. Does not have paddle shifters, but that's okay. You can still switch gears through the automatic shifter there. So when you want something high output but not too flashy, this is a great option. Now I do have some reconditioning that I need to perform there on the wheels, but I like the wheel style. You have your dual exhaust on the 335. So you've got all-wheel drive, 300 horsepower, 40-20-40 split seat. So just storage here because you have run flat tires. I always like to come in here and see if they still have the screwdriver in here. This one looks like it's missing. I didn't find the MSRP or the original window sticker here, but the books are here. So this is something that runs a retail of $18,500. It's only got 49,000 miles on it. I would love to have this. Camera for the top view, and then your parking sensors. So inline 6, twin turbo power. This also has the comfort access feature to where you can walk up to the door, lock it, or unlock it depending on what you're doing. You can roll the windows down, open the moonroof just from the key, and they'll fold all the way down. Press and hold right here, and they'll all go up. Also has heated rear seats. I'll put my email address right here, so that way if you know somebody that's been looking for a low mile, well cared for BMW 3 Series, we have it here and we get these gems in this area. So have a great day, safe travels to you and your family, and I'll see you in the next video.